Hey, fellow colleagues, my name is Alan Whitaker, and I'm the Technology Integration Lead Teacher for the TCRCE with another 5-minute tech tip. Today, it's on Read and Write for Google, the Google Chrome extension that every student and teacher now has access to in the province. If you found any of these videos helpful, consider liking and following the channel, but for now, let's get to it. Read and Write for Google Chrome is an extension that can boost reading and writing skills in students. It allows you to not only do speech to text, that's writing down every word we say, but also allows for text to speech, where it will read the text as it appears on the screen. It also comes with a host of other features, such as text and picture dictionaries to see the meaning of words explained, but also allows for word prediction when typing in Google Docs, highlighting text and creating a collection from those highlights, and creating and listening to voice notes right within Google. To get started with Read and Write for Google, head on over to the Chrome Web Store, type in Read and Write for Google, and search for it. You may have to hit More Extensions for it to show up. We want to click on Read and Write for Google Chrome, click the Add to Chrome button, accept to add the extension, and then wait for it to be installed. Once it's installed, you can actually click on your extension manager and pin it to your bar. Now, whenever you need Google Read and Write, it's right there. Let's try out some of the features of Google Read and Write. I'm simply going to open up the dog Wikipedia page and then double-click on the Google Read and Write icon to open up the Google Read and Write bar. Let's look at the dictionary feature first. Double-click on a word and press the dictionary icon. This opens up a screen with pre-recorded definitions of the word that you selected. To use the picture dictionary, select the word and then press the picture dictionary icon. This brings up pictures of the word that you've selected. Another great feature of Read and Write for Google is the ability to highlight text within documents. By default, there are 4 colors to select from, so you can assign each color a different meaning. For example, you can have students highlight nouns in yellow but adjectives in blue, or highlight topic sentences in green and supporting sentences in pink. Once you have highlighted sentences, you can click the Curate button, select the highlights you want to include, and press OK. What will happen next is Google will take those highlighted pieces and create a new Google Doc based on your selections. From here, students can share with the teacher or add it to a classroom assignment. Where Google really shines is in Google Docs. To get started, open up the Read and Write for Google tab, and you have access to all the tools. I'm going to use the text-to-speech and speak to Google. As I speak, Google writes down in the document exactly what I'm saying. When I'm finished speaking, I can turn off the microphone and then click at the beginning of the sentence and then click the play button. This will have Google read back to me what it is I've written. Another feature of Google Read and Write is the Practice Reading Aloud function. Simply select a sentence or two, press the Practice Reading Aloud section, and students then can record their own voice reading the sentences that were selected. In this way, you can gather some data on their ability to read. When they're finished, they simply press the stop button and email it to the teacher. Just like with websites where you can select and highlight text, you can also do this in Google Read and Write. When you select, you still have the choice of those 4 colors, and you can curate that. You can also use the picture dictionary feature by selecting a word and pressing the picture dictionary icon, and you can also search the web and use the screen mask function. The screen mask function acts as a sentence strip that you would use in a child's book. Many troubleshooting issues with Google Read and Write can be resolved by refreshing the screen or by ensuring that you're logged into your GNES account. Installing Read and Write for Google is the exact same on a student's device as it is on a teacher device. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and following along with my channel. And until next time, thanks for watching.